self-emptying function of the Eufy 2-in-1 E20 vacuum cleaner. It's very very interesting because this vacuum cleaner has this attachment which is doing the actual stuff. This is the motor and the dustbin, and here we have the outlet for the dust, so it cannot empty while sitting like that. Oh, it's talking.
Charging.
It has to turn.
If you need to collect dust, please press and hold the home button for a few seconds.
Yep, I'll do that. And it needs to go off the docking station, then it will run 180 degrees, and then it will empty itself. It's a pretty nice dance that you will see just in a second. So we are pressing the home button for several seconds, then it goes back, and then it finds the docking station and it rotates 180 degrees. It's a slow process, but it's nice to watch it. And then it goes with the butt in.
Start collecting dust.
And it starts collecting the dust. And it's very powerful. You can see it. And then again, down it goes, rotates, and yeah, that's all actually. If you want to see my full video of the test and unboxing of this vacuum cleaner, click the link below this video. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Yeah, you're charging, we know that. Okay, thank you.